Hello everyone and welcome to a new Systeme.io tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to receive your affiliate commissions on Systeme.io. Before starting, especially if you don't yet have a Systeme.io account, you can create one for free by clicking on the link in the description. Also, in the description, the second link gives you access to my Systeme.io 2.0 pack. It's free, you can download it. So, when you're on your dashboard, you simply go to the top right on your profile picture. Click on Settings, and then look on the left menu for Affiliate Commissions Payment. You click on the tab, and then you will choose the payment method. This is how Systeme.io will pay you when you generate affiliate commissions automatically. To do this, you choose a payment method. Honestly, I recommend PayPal. It's the simplest and fastest. You can also use a bank transfer method. In that case, you will need to provide the bank account depending on the currencies you will be receiving, especially if you receive in multiple currencies. That's why PayPal is great. It groups all currencies together, no matter what, and it will be automatic at the beginning of each month. You click on it, enter the email address of your PayPal account, and then click on Save. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video. Leave your questions in the comments. I will answer them every time. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you next time.